Hey everybody, welcome to Imperial Gardens quad box break. So 4 boxes of 13-14 UD Ultimate. So this is our first break we're doing with 4 boxes here. So the last one ending the break was the Oilers on June 2nd at 6:28 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. Current day and time. Refresh. It's currently Wednesday, June 3rd at 12:34 a.m. Eastern Time. We are broadcasting live on Breakers here. And also for the people who yet to register on our Breakers page, really appreciate if you did. Just register your account there and kind of scroll down and see everything in the queues. So these are for Thursday night. We haven't sent an email out or anything yet, so definitely grab your spot before sending a little email blast out to fill it up. And I guess break 1. So our serial numbers, we're just going to read off the last few. 6815, 7120, 3542, and then pretty much 2112 with the last 4 numbers blocked off there. So 2 boxes. So that's the 21162 and the block number 3542, 7120, and 6815. Okay, so guess we're just gonna do it this way, then we'll see how it's sealed and sealed. So I'll just quickly tumble these around quickly here. Sorry. So they are just shrink wrapped all the way around here, and you guys will see me just cutting them open after. So okay, so we'll turn you guys around here. We'll show you the serial numbers for each box, and we'll get started. So see how these quad breaks go. We got double again tomorrow, then we got another quad one ending in a couple days here. So hopefully quad breaks will do well for us. So 1162. So the only reason we added more is a lot of people are wondering when we're going to do case breaks again, but case breaks are a little bit more expensive than doing like 4 boxes or something. So on to break 1, or box 1. You have a patch in the center here, so good luck everybody. Okay, so we got base card of Eric Stahl going out to the Hurricanes, $4.99. Eric Stahl. Next one is a Anton Belov, Ultimate Rookie, going out to the Oilers, $4.99. Anton Belov. Looks like an update patch. And it is going out to the Dallas Stars. We have a 3-color auto rookie patch of Scott Glennie. And this one is number 6 of 25. This is a 12-13 version, so an update. Going out to Dallas. So nice hit there for the Stars. And our next one is a ultimate jersey of Slava Voinov. Going out to the Kings. On to box number 2. 3542. So box 2, we start off with a base card of Matt Duchene going out to the Avalanche, $4.99. Next one is a ultimate rookie of Lyndon Bay going out to the LA Kings, $4.99. Next one is a redemption. We'll save that one for last and bring our next card to the front here, which is a ultimate rookie of Lucas Lesio, number 41 of 75, going out to the Coyotes. Next hit. Oh, nice. We have a Ultimate Collection short print rookie number 299 of Andre Palat. Andre Palat going out to the Lightning SP rookie. So whoever's the Lightning, I can even message the code if you like. So far, good start on 2 boxes. 7120. Be our next one. case break. Okay, so box 3, we got base card of Pavel Datsyuk, $4.99 for the Red Wings. Next one is a ultimate rookie of Michael Latta, $4.99 for the Caps. Latta. Next one is a rookie ultimate signatures going out to the Sharks, Tomas Hertl. For the Sharks. And the next one is a quad rookie jersey. Going to be a random. We got Dougie Hamilton, Morgan Riley, Justin Schultz, Ryan Murray, 31/50. So all the rookie defensemen. So do the random right at the end there. And on to box number 4 of the break. 6815. No patch in this one. Okay, so this one we start with a base card of Pecorine, $4.99 for the Preds. This one is a ultimate rookie of Darcy Kemper, going out to the Wild. I don't even know where my phone is. That's all the way across from there. I can hear it beeping. Darcy Kemper, $4.99. And our next hit, going out to the San Jose Sharks also. We have the Legends, or Veteran, ultimate signatures of Arthur Zerbe. Going out to the Sharks. And finish the box and the break off with a ultimate rookie jersey of Nathan McKinnon, going out to the Avalanche. So there we have it for tonight, guys. So not too bad of a start. Short print rookie and a rookie patch auto. And Hertl ultimate sigs. Just give me a sec here. We'll set up our random for ultimate quad jersey. Okay, so we'll turn you guys around here. Lean on the box. Okay, so we have our randomizer set up in the order the card appears. So from left to right, so top left to right, we got Dougie Hamilton first, Morgan Riley second, Schultz bottom left, and Ryan Murray to the right. So each team is listed 3 times. We're going to random the list 3 times. Team on top after the 3rd time is going to receive the card. So 1, 2, and 3. And it's going out to the Toronto Maple Leafs. And you have randomized this list 3 times. So congratulations, Toronto. We got 2 boxes of Ultimate tomorrow. Then the day after, we got 4 boxes ending again. So